Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy M10s. So this is a smartphone basically for the Indian market, but I got my hands on it, so might as well do an unboxing. Now let's look at the specifications. We have a big battery of 4000 milliamps and 32 gigabytes of storage with 3 gigabytes of RAM. We have a dual camera setup and the Super AMOLED display. Now, judging from the specifications we read in the back of the box, this is similar to Samsung Galaxy A20. But now let's open the box and see what's inside. So we have the paperwork, the usual paperwork, quick start guide and the warranty card. Yeah, nothing fancy about that, so let's put it back in and let's continue with the phone itself. Now this is the phone. It's just wrapped up in a plastic without logo, and we have no headphones. Basically the Indian market, the phones for the Indian market doesn't have earphones, I'm sorry, just a cable and a power brick. Now this is a standard 1 meter Type-C USB Type-C to USB-A, a normal Type-C cable. This is the fast charging brick. You can pause the video if you want to read the specifications on the charging brick. And we have a SIM ejection tool on the box, nothing else. Now let's turn on the device and continue with the menu. But before doing that, I want to mention that we have a fingerprint on the back. We have button on the side, volume buttons, and the SIM tray on the left side. The speakerphone is on the bottom, along with the Type-C charging port and the headphone jack. Now let's continue with turning on the phone and opening the menu. Okay, so we're now on the home screen, and I have to mention that the colors here on this device are looking very good, very sharp, and this is all due to the AMOLED panel that we have on this device. Now I'm just showing you the maximum and minimum light of the display. Also, you can take a quick look at the toggles here. We're gonna check the night mode. Yeah, the black background of the dark mode is very gorgeous. It mixes with the bezels of the phone, and it seems like you have a bezel-less display. Now we're gonna wait for the other apps to finish downloading, and while doing so, let's open a YouTube video and see the resolution. Of course, we have a 720p resolution here, nothing too fancy, but on a daily basis, it you cannot see the difference. I mean, if you look very closely, then you'd see the difference. But on a daily basis, we won't be able to see the difference of 720p display from a 1080p display. Okay, so now let's close the YouTube and look at the Android version of this device. Of course, we have Android 9 and the One UI version of 1.1. Now let's look at some other settings on this device. I'm gonna download the latest version and we're gonna wait. Yeah, so the device found the update and we're gonna just wait for it to download on the background. And while doing so, we're gonna look at through some other settings of this device. Now let me just turn off the auto rotation real quick and go to settings and look through it. Okay, so now let's stop at biometrics and security and try to set up the face recognition on this device and see how fast it will unlock the device. So let's see. Yeah, we see the unlock sign there, meaning that the device is unlocked. So let me just show you now how fast the face recognition is in this device. Now it opened instantly, but keep in mind that I'm in a good lighting condition and it won't be like this every time you try to open the device with your face. So on a scale from 1 to 10, I give this device an 8 on the face recognition. Okay, so we are almost done with the video, guys. I really want to thank you for watching until the end, and I will see you on the next one.